Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's tour, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more home tours, Space Coast adventures, delicious recipes for your new kitchen, and of course, puppies! It's Margarett, your go-to Space Coast Realtor, here to bring you another neighborhood deep dive. And trust me, you'll want to stay to the very end, because I've got a fun Titusville fact that might just surprise you. Deep dive into Sherwood and Lantern Park, Titusville, Florida. Your cozy, convenient small town meets Space Coast dream. If you've been searching for a neighborhood that blends affordability, charm, and that everyone waves when they walk their dog vibe, Sherwood and Lantern Park are two Titusville communities that absolutely deserve a spotlight. And yes, when you're ready to make a move, I'd love to be your Space Coast Realtor, helping you find your next home right here. A neighborhood with heart, Sherwood Lantern Park sits in a sweet, quiet pocket of Titusville, far enough from busy roads to feel peaceful, but close enough to everything you need so you're not driving all over creation for groceries or fun. These are the kinds of neighborhoods where kids ride bikes, neighbors actually say hello, and families stay for years because it feels right. It's the Florida lifestyle without the Florida chaos, and I'm always excited to help my buyers find homes here. Location, you know the rest. You're minutes from local shopping, grocery stores, restaurants, medical offices, and quick access to US 1 and 95. And if you're dreaming of beaches, you're only about 25 to 30 minutes from the shore. If you want rocket launches, well, you're living in Titusville. Just step outside and look up. And yes, if you want a home with a launch view, call me. I've got you. Home Styles and Affordability Sherwood/Lantern Park offers cute, well-kept single-family homes that are perfect. Whether you're a first-time buyer, downsizing, or looking for a smart investment, what you'll find: affordable prices. Yes, really. Larger lots than many newer communities, covered carports and garages, block construction, mature landscaping, and shady trees. Homes with plenty of charm and personality. Many homes have been updated over the years, but you'll also find great bring your ideas houses, perfect for buyers who want equity or customization. And when you're ready to start your search, I am absolutely your go-to Space Coast Realtor. Lifestyle perks: Sherwood/Lantern Park isn't flashy, it's comfortable, it's friendly, it's calm. You can take evening strolls, enjoy quiet streets, let pups roam safely in fenced yards, plant a garden, relax on your screened porch, watch rockets launch from your driveway. And if you love backyard barbecues, this neighborhood is chef's kiss. And remember, if you need a new home with a bigger yard for those barbecues, call me. Commuter friendly, working at Blue Origin, NASA, SpaceX, or Kennedy Space Center, you're a quick hop away. Seriously, short commute, more time at home, fewer headaches. This is one reason these neighborhoods are always in demand. And if you're relocating to work in the space industry, guess who would love to help you? Hi, it's me. I'm your Space Coast Realtor. Schools and community feel. Families appreciate the local schools and the community's down-to-earth vibe. People stay, settle in, and really enjoy life here. It's the kind of neighborhood that just feels like home. Investment potential. Let's be real, Titusville is growing. Launch jobs are booming, new businesses are coming in, and neighborhoods like Sherwood Lantern Park remain affordable while offering long-term potential. Whether you want a rental, a flip, or a starter home with equity growth, this is fertile ground. And yes, I'd love to help you run the numbers. Fun fact about Titusville: did you know Titusville is nicknamed the Miracle City? Back in the day, the city was expected to boom because of space exploration, and it did. Even today, Titusville has become one of the Space Coast's fastest-growing comeback stories. Thank you so much for watching, reading, and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to please subscribe for more home tours, recipes, Space Coast fun, and adorable dachshund puppy updates. And of course, when you're ready to buy or sell a home here on the Space Coast, I'm your girl. Email Margarett, Klein@xrealty.com. Call me 321-480-7662. Website: Margarett Sells Dream Homes. YouTube link youtube.com/@Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida.